25LTD Professional CB Radio is a sturdy and compact-sized CB radio for truckers. It has well-labeled control functions for ease of use and navigation, so you can quickly spot the volume, dynamic mic, and RF gain knobs at a glance. The single-strength meter, RF gain, and channel display screens have 2 levels of brightness. Thus, you can adjust the controls to the lighting that works best for you. Nonetheless, the displays are pretty small-sized, and you may struggle to read what's in them. In a sense, Cobra 25LTD is a simpler, low-cost, and compact model compared to the Cobra 29LTD. The design similarities between both SSB-equipped radio units are visible at a glance, as are the differences. Cobra 25LTD has fewer fine-tuning and audio management options compared to its premium sibling. The radio has full CB channel coverage, so you get maximum value when purchasing one. And to top it up, it has instant access to Channel 9 for timely emergency updates. This way, you stay informed and easily avoid driving on unpleasant weather days. Also, its RF gain feature is exceptional and acts as a sensitivity filter. The RF gain will sort you out if you're the least worried about noisy, distant signals affecting your communication. You can make and receive calls anywhere in the truck since it comes with a 9-foot microphone cord for unrestricted movement. The Cobra 25LTD is for you if you're looking for a reliable CB radio with a heavy dynamic mic. It also has an RF gain feature that acts as a sensitivity filter. The result is a crystal clear signal and stress-free communication. The best part is you can tune it to transmit at a higher output power of 12 watts. This comes in handy when you want to communicate over long distances. Unfortunately, this radio isn't for you if you like large display screens, so it would be best to go for another alternative if you find this a deal breaker. In addition, its 2-level brightness may not be sufficient for some users because of eye straining under limited light. To sum up what we'd like, the timely weather conditions and emergencies updates. Long microphone cord for unrestricted movement in the truck, full access to all 40 CB channels, a heavy-duty dynamic microphone, and notch voice clarity. On the downside, operation under low light can be a hassle, and it's not plug-and-play and should be tweaked by an expert for top-notch performance. Our ratings for reliability are 9.4 out of 10. Functionality, 9.6 out of 10. Durability, 9.5 out of 10. Range, 9.9 out of 10. Extra features, 4 out of 10. Value for money, 9 out of 10. For an overall rating of 8.5 out of 10. So what do you think? Is this the best CB radio for you? Check another video where we reviewed the 5 best CB radios for truckers and see if any of these is a better option for you. Tell us in the comments what you think. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Have an awesome day.